Are you getting the most out of the scale tool while working in InDesign? Well, if you're not, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can move the focal point to any point within the image or object you are trying to scale. And this will make it easier to get the desired result. For those who don't know me, my name is Darren Goddard. I've been working within creative production for over 20 years. And in this tutorial series, I'm going to help fellow creators become more productive. So let's move over to InDesign and I can show you how to do this. Well, now we are in InDesign, I'm going to show you how you should scale and how you probably scale already. So let's jump into it. So I've got an image ready here, just an image I've generated, and I'm going to show you the ways of scaling, which you probably know already, but if you don't, it's good to know. So the first one is just to make sure that the container is selected, because you can scale with the container, which is the outer box, or the image, which is obviously the image within inside the container. So we'll select on the outer box, make sure that the chain's linked so it doesn't distort, and you can type in a different size, and then obviously your image will reduce to that scale. You can also fix a point here, so at the moment I've got it fixed to top left. You can change this to anchor it in the center. So now I'll do it again, 40%. It will scale from the center. Or Apple Z that, Control Z, or Windows. Now I've gone through the fundamentals, how to scale in InDesign. I'm going to show you the best way and how you move the focal point. So with our image selected, we'll select it here. We know it's selected the image because it's got this little round circle here. We'll move this down to here, and what we want to do is actually fix this point here, and then we want to scale the rest of the image up to the top of the frame. So if we do it in the old way, when we grab the handles, you'll see it jumps from here, it doesn't fix it. So what you need to do is click on the scale tool, and you can see a little pivot point here, the focal point. We move that down to there. Then we just click on there, and as you can see, it's fixing that point and it's just growing from there. We keep going until we get the desired result. So now we've got the handlebars up there, and that point there hasn't moved. So that is how you can scale in InDesign accurately rather than it jumping around. If this video has been helpful, please consider giving me a like and subscribing to the channel for more content just like this. And if you'd like this in a PDF format, then please enter scale in the comments below and I'll send you it in a PDF. Thanks for watching and keep creating.